I have here a Galaxy S22 Ultra. This one has a broken back glass. The back glass on this device is of green color. This is not the original back glass that is supposed to be on this Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm going to reinstall the back glass that you can see on the screen, the white back glass on this S22 Ultra, in order to have the original look on this device. So I started with heating the back glass of this S22 Ultra. The back glass replacement on this device is not very difficult. It is relatively easy. The back glass on this Galaxy S22 Ultra is poorly glued, so this is why I'm not using a suction cup. I'm going to use my green scalpel in order to create a small opening between the back glass and the frame of this device, and after that I can simply try to pull the back glass out of the body of the device, thus removing the back glass completely out of this S22 Ultra. Generally, if the back glass is badly broken, the suction cup is not going to work unless you add some duct tape on the back cover in order to cover the area where it is broken, and after that you can use a suction cup and pull the back glass slightly. Next, you insert a guitar pick or one of your tools between the back glass and the body of the device, and after that you remove the whole back glass by going through all the corners of this Galaxy S22 Ultra, and after that you simply remove the back glass out of the device. Before installation, I recommend that you apply pressure on the double-sided tape that is on the back of this Galaxy S22 Ultra back glass. When you finish doing that, the back glass should be ready for installation. But before that, I'm going to do something which is going to be testing the cameras to make sure that all the cameras are working properly before I install the new back glass. It is essential to do that because you do not want to install the back cover and after that you try to take a picture with your camera and you see it is all blurry or it is not simply working. So you've seen it, the camera is responding normally. I do not have any issues with the camera, and I even tried to zoom on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 that is on the screen, and you can see it is zooming like normal. There is no issues that I can see. It is time to install the new back cover on this Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you wonder if after replacing the back cover on your Galaxy S22 Ultra or any other smartphone, if the device is still water resistant, I can say that it is complicated, and do not put your device in water if you replace the back cover or any other component, because most likely it is going to take water if you submerge that device for longer than 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. I'm saying this because every week I get questions about water resistance after repairing a smartphone. And I even got one question from someone who had his device repaired at a Samsung repair shop, an authorized Samsung repair shop, and he wanted to know if the device will still be water resistant. And I told him to go and ask the guys that repair his smartphone to say that the water resistance has been restored and they can confirm that the device is still IP68. Most likely they are not going to recommend that you put the device inside water, but if they guarantee that the device is still IP68 and water resistant, you can bring the device back if it got a water damage. Before installation, you need to remove all the plastic protecting film that are covering the camera lenses. After you have removed all those, the device is ready for the installation of the back glass. Before installation, I advise that you blow some air on the camera bezel area in order to push anything that may have been sitting on the camera lenses. The next step is to remove the plastic covering the double-sided tape on the back of the back glass, and after that, blow some air on the camera lenses area and also on the camera modules, and after that you can start the installation of the back glass. Simply align the back glass with the frame of the device, your Galaxy S22 Ultra. When you're confident that everything has been aligned, you can simply lay the back cover on the body of the device and start to apply some pressure on the body of the device. Keep applying some pressure on both sides of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Make sure that you carefully look at the sides of the device to make sure that everything is properly aligned, and you can see it is all good so far. After the installation of the back glass, you can keep applying some pressure on the area where the double-sided tape is sitting. You need to do that for at least 5 minutes of applying pressure on the back of your device, and after that you can choose to apply some repair clamps that are going to apply some constant pressure on the back of the device for at least 10 to 20 minutes. It is going to help better seal the back of the device. The constant pressure stuff is not mandatory. You can simply replace the back cover like I just did it, and it is going to hold on the back of your device. I did a water resistance test on a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra after a back glass replacement. If you want to see that video, click the video on the screen now. Subscribe so that you do not miss any other repair videos.